Alright guys, we got the rental car. After all those problems, made it through immigration. We out here, and here's the tour. What's this? Ooh. Here we are with the bathroom. Automatic lights when you walk in. Ooh man, you got a little wand to wipe your butt, to spray your butt out. You got the marble.
Touch screen, you look at all the shower stuff too. Oh.
There's Bill interrupting the video.
Sorry, man.
But it's all good. This place is crazy, man.
It's crazy, dude. So you gotta like get the water here, get the water.
Whoa.
Get the water from the top. You want the water from the top. I'm good.
Multiple shower heads. Watch out, Bill.
Yeah, touch screen.
All right, that's cool. Let's go see what the rest. A little sit-down area. Put your fresh kicks on. Bedroom. And there's so many different features. Like these beds tilt in every single direction and stuff. I don't even have a clue what this is. I think you can charge your phones just by setting it on there. Got a little TV. Nice. Nice rack. I've never seen those. I'd call that a skeleton rack. I don't know. That's probably what it's called. That's the outside. Come on, come on. Hurry, guys. Let's go. Come down the hallway. We got bedroom number 2. Little fancy mirrors. Everything is like touch. Whoa. Nice. Yeah. This compared to the last one, man. This is a 10. You got a little balcony out there. I'll show you this balcony over here by the living room, aka my room. Coming into the living room, you got the kitchen to the side. More touch screen right here. Everything's touch.
Cool off all the wave stuff. Yeah. Oh, and I think those heads.
What a beautiful chandelier. Nice little table. Very nice couch. This is where I'm going to be sleeping. Oh, yep. Got the pull-out bed. Pretty nice. I'm going to have my AC unit. Who's that? Britney Spears? Let's come back out here to the balcony. You can see our second one's there. Got the pool and sunny beach, baby. Thanks for watching the room tour, but if you clicked off the main vlog to come here, click back here and go back to the video. And if you didn't click on that other video at all, what is wrong with you? Get over there. Just kidding, but yeah, we are out here in Sunny Beach having a good time, y'all.